Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels in my all time frame analysis. Before starting the analysis, let us look at today's economic calendar. So when we look at the calendar, there was a news at 3:30 morning for Australian dollars medium impact. So now we are at 6 o'clock and we have news in JPY. We have lots of medium impact news in most of the currencies. Euro also has a medium impact news at 2:25 in the afternoon, and again 2:30 we have medium impact news. Then as we come down at 5:30 we have a official bank rate high impact news for British pound. So please watch this news if you are trading with British pound related currencies. Then we have lots of medium impact news in British pound also following it. Then again as we scroll down, we have lots of medium impact news coming from 7 o'clock in the evening. Then at 8:30 we have a high impact news for US dollar currency pairs, ISM non-manufacturing PMI. Please plan your trades according to the news calendar. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, as we already know, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, and within the symmetric triangle pattern the price action is moving on a sideways and it is consolidating within this symmetric triangle pattern. Soon we can expect a directional breakout in this currency pairs. But looking at the current trend, I have drawn the trend line or the support line in daily time frame, and price action has respected every time when it retraced in the past, and it was also in a bullish trend and tested this resistance level of 1849 and bounced back and took support on this trend line. Currently when we look at the price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend, but we can notice that this level of 1811 is acting as a very strong resistance and 1798 is acting as a very strong support, and the current price action is trading within the support and resistance level of 1811 and 1798. And overall when we look at the price action, it has taken support on this support level of 1780 and it is in a bullish trend. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1811, and it has to break the channel pattern resistance line also to continue its bullish trend. So we can expect the price action to retest on the resistance level of 1811 and then go on a sideways or to continue its bullish trend, because overall we know that it is in a very nice bullish trend from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We know from the daily time frame that the price action was trading in a very nice bullish channel pattern and gave breakout from the channel pattern and then started its bearish trend and went all the way down and took support at the support level of 1780. Currently when we look at the price action, it is in a very nice bullish trend. You can see that impulse move, pull back, again it is going on a impulse move. We can expect a pull back and take support on the level of 1798, again go on a impulse move. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1811, we can expect a further continuation of this price action. But overall when we notice the price action, it is actually moving on a sideways or a range bound market for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in white color boxes are the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. It is giving an impulse movement and pullback also. So if the same price action continues, we can expect it to break this resistance level of 1812 and continue its bullish trend. or if the price action fails to break this resistance level, we can expect a sideways movement to start. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Previously the price action was in a very nice downtrend and took support on this trend line from the daily time frame, and currently it is in a very nice bullish trend trading within a channel pattern. And we have the higher time frame resistance level marked in blue color line, which is around 1812. Only when the price action breaks this resistance level and the higher time frame channel pattern resistance line, we can expect the bullish trend to start. And currently you can notice that the price action is moving on a sideways rather than going on a sharp bullish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked within the white color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame, and the values in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in daily time frame. Higher time frame resistance and support levels are more valid and prices will be respecting, and whenever it tests this, we can expect it to bounce back. So currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. Wait for it to test this support level, then you can go on a bullish side trade, because the current price action is in a bullish trend. So I wouldn't recommend you to going trades on the bearish side, because we can expect the trend reversal at any point. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. We have the 30 minutes time frame resistance level and support level over here, and previously the price action was in a very nice bullish trend. I have drawn the trend line over here and it has respected this trend line. Currently you can notice that the price action has breached this trend line or the support line, and it is in a bearish trend. We can expect it to take support at the support level of 1798, then a pullback on the bullish side. So currently the price action in 5 minutes time frame is in a bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in green color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action has breached this support line or the trend line, and it is in a bearish trend, and we can expect it to take support at the support level of 1805 first, and if it manages to break the support level, we can expect a further fall and take support on the higher time frame support level of 1799. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.